Welcome to the FactoryHelp channel. Turbo Centrifugal Air Compressor. Titanium alloy. Customization. Long service life. Unbalanced. Auto-centering type. Longer gear life. Lower mechanical loss. Axial error equals 1/10 of a hair diameter. High precision air filter with filtration accuracy of 2 micrometers. Adjustable range of 62% to 105%. Compression process approaches isothermal compression. Air inlet, impeller, compressor casing, electric motor, shaft, discharge pipe, control valve, intercooler, bearings, lubrication system, base frame. Pressure range, 0.6 to 16 bars. Flow range, 20 to 350 cubic meters per minute. Most stressful, 35 bars. Most traffic, 1,200 cubic meters per minute. Mechanical labyrinth seal system. Lightweight titanium alloy impeller, thrust collar design, and valve set of millisecond response to guarantee the unit operating normally when loading and unloading frequently. Modular design, convenient for transportation, easy for installation and overhauling. Products are widely used in all walks of life, including steel making, spinning, pharmacy, automobile making, and electron.
Confidence comes from knowledge. Learn with us. Become an expert in industrial solutions.